Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
6 DIY Multani Mitti face packs for oily skin. The advantage of living in an Indian household is the innumerable natural solutions to countless skin problems. All our grandmothers swear by the home remedies mantra, and we are here to preach just that. One ingredient that never failed to impress any of our grandmothers will be your neat and shining armor too, Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth is found in the Multan region of Punjab in Pakistan. It is a clay-like substance that is known to have many remedial powers. It was also used in Ayurvedic beauty treatments. Its uses for beauty treatment dates back to ancient India where it was used by princesses and wealthy women too. It is your one solution to various skin problems. Multani Mitti can be used as a natural cleanser and has various skin benefiting properties like Multani Mitti helps reduce oil in the skin, it fights acne, it treats pigmentation, it even skin tone and help treat tanning. Multani Mitti helps eliminate dirt and impurities, discard dead skin cells. It removes blackheads and whiteheads. It helps cool the skin, reduces the appearance of pores. It soothes irritation, sunburn, rashes, infection, etc. It also helps tighten the skin and thus preventing aging. Increases moisture in the skin and it acts as a great exfoliator and it facilitates blood circulation. Since Multani Mitti has the power to reduce oil in the skin, it's a must to include it in your skincare routine if you deal with oily skin. It will do wonders for your skin and help overcome numerous skin problems, giving you a fresh looking and glowing skin. Multani Mitti with sandalwood. Sandalwood is known to nourish the skin as well as even our skin tone. It also has the power to reduce the appearance of scars. Apart from sandalwood, this face pack includes flour, that is besan, and cold milk. The flour helps remove a layer of dead skin cells and thus acts as a natural exfoliator. And cold milk serves as an excellent moisturizer for your skin. This DIY face pack is perfect for achieving radiant skin. Ingredients that will be required: 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of flour, that is besan, and 2 tablespoons of cold milk. The procedure is: add all the given ingredients to a bowl and mix them thoroughly. Apply it all over your face and neck. Keep it on for 30 to 40 minutes to dry and harden naturally for best results. Rinse it off with cold water. Multani Mitti with rose water. Rose water balances the skin's pH level and helps eliminate excess oil from your face. This will also help clear blackheads, fine lines, and wrinkles. Further, it helps reduce redness and acne and makes your skin glow, leaving it looking as fresh as a flower. You can apply this face pack once or twice a week. Ingredients that are required are 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti, 2 teaspoons rose water, and normal water. Procedure is: mix Multani Mitti, rose water and water in a bowl till you achieve a paste-like consistency. Using a clean brush, apply the face pack evenly all over the face and neck. Let it dry out naturally. Rinse it off after 20 to 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Apply an oil-free and mild moisturizer post-washing your face. Pro tip: add water drop by drop to achieve the desired consistency. Multani Mitti with honey. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic properties and thus benefits on oily skin. It helps treat acne, eczema, inflammation, etc. And it makes the skin glow. Consequently, Multani Mitti and honey make an excellent duo. This face pack can be used twice a week for best results. The ingredients that you will be requiring are 2 tablespoons of multani mitti and 2 tablespoons of honey. The procedure is as follows. Add multani mitti in a clean bowl. Combine honey slowly into the bowl to make it smooth and easy to spread the paste. Using a clean brush, apply the face pack evenly all over the face and neck. Let it dry naturally for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pro tip: patch test before applying it all over the face. Multani mitti with tomato. Tomato juice is known to clear the face by healing sunburns, treating acne, and tightening pores. Further, it acts as a natural sun protectant, has anti-aging properties, and gives the skin a youthful radiance. This pack is also perfect for fixing your holiday tan. Lemon juice is also added to this pack as it has astringent qualities which helps diminish oiliness in the skin and minimize the inflammation. This face pack can be used once a week for fresh and youthful skin. Ingredients required are 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, half a tablespoon of ripe tomato pulp, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Procedure is: mix the given ingredients thoroughly in a clean bowl till a paste-like consistency is achieved. Using a clean brush, apply the face pack evenly on your face and neck. Let the pack sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and dry naturally. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Moisturize if necessitated. Pro tip: avoid applying in the area around your eyes and lips to prevent irritation or burning. Multani mitti with turmeric. Turmeric has antimicrobial properties that help kill bacteria present in the skin and thus prevent acne. It also helps with the acne scars, heals wounds, and gives a natural glow. This face pack can be used twice a week for best results. Ingredients required are 2 tablespoons of multani mitti and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Procedure: add multani mitti and turmeric in a clean bowl. Add water drop by drop till a paste-like consistency is achieved. Using a clean brush, apply the face pack evenly on your face and neck. Let the pack sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and dry naturally. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and after the face pack dries. Moisturize if required. Pro tip: wash your face properly before applying the face pack to avoid germs settling in and for the face pack to work efficiently. Multani mitti with curd. Curd is an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C and is filled with bacteria that help the skin glow. Additionally, it serves as a superb moisturizer in skin tone, tightens the pores, slows aging, and reduces dark spot. Thus, this combination is a must try. This face pack can be used twice a week for achieving glowing skin. Ingredients required are 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, 2 teaspoons of blended curd. Procedure: add the ingredients mentioned above to a clean bowl and blend them well till a smooth paste is formed. Using a clean brush, apply the face pack evenly on your face and neck. Let the pack sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and dry naturally. Rinse it off with lukewarm water after the face pack dries and pat dry. Pro tip: if curd causes skin irritation, add a pinch of turmeric to the face pack. Carry out a patch test. Thank you.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.